If you are getting error code Excel.exe Application Error 0xc0000142, it's likely that your Microsoft Office has become corrupted. Fortunately, you can fix this issue without having to purchase any software. To do so, simply right-click on Taskbar, click on Taskbar Settings, and search for Apps and Features. And scroll down to find your Microsoft Office app. Here you can see we are using Office 2007 on Windows 10 because we are much familiar with it. So keep in mind your Microsoft Office version may be different. So select the appropriate version and click on the Modify button. Office setup will pop up. Now select the repair and click on Continue. The repair process may take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once it's completed, just restart your PC. Now you can like and subscribe to our channel in advance because your problem is resolved now. Hope so you like this video. Good luck.